Hi there, this is Lisa Allen. I'm the developer of RSS FeedFinder, and I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough demo of how to use RSS FeedFinder and what it can do for you. So we're looking at the software here. You can see that it's a really simple interface, not a lot of things to flip and toggle and have to adjust and mess with endlessly. You can just come in here and do a search within just a few seconds. So let's just run a sample and I will show you what we're doing here. So feed source is what kind of feeds do you want to come from, what sources. So blogs is a very good source. You can also specifically target things that are hosted on FeedBurner or Pinterest, YouTube, Tumblr, Vimeo, and then we've got a special URL feed source down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with blogs. We're going to leave it in authority mode. Now authority mode means that it's grabbing the sites that have the highest rankings for the keyword that you're going to put here, and you can put multiple keywords in there and it will go through them one by one. So I'm just going to leave it in authority mode. The time-based modes are for if you want to restrict it to newer content or more trending content. So I'm just going to go here and I'm going to go weight loss and maybe bodybuilding. Okay, so let's use these two keywords just as our demo. And once we've got this all set up, really easy, just click search. And what you see down here, it gives you a kind of little running commentary of what it's doing. So parsing links means that it's going out and looking at the individual sites that came up and it's trying to look for their feeds. So we're just going to wait for this to finish here, and I'm going to talk a little bit while it's doing that. Also, if there's feeds that you don't like once you're done, you can delete them. We've got the export feature down here which will export them to a spreadsheet for you, so you can turn around and hand them to your VAs to do work, or import them into your auto blogs or anything that you normally would do with your RSS feeds as part of your SEO or your content syndication. Now it looks like it's on to the bodybuilding. So it's still running here. Now also I should mention too, once you've exported the files, it will save them on your documents folder under FeedFinder exports, and this little folder will take you right to it. Okay, so it says search completed, so now we are done, and if I wanted to delete one or two of these I could do that. If I click on the links that are under RSS URL, it will take me to that feed in my default browser. And so I can kind of look and preview the content in the browser and see if that's suitable. If I don't think that site is suitable or is of value to me, I can just delete it, and then I can just export those. So I'm just going to export these to bodybuilding and click save. And now let's go in here and you can see now we've got bodybuilding.csv, and if I open it, get it over here, you can see what it exported. So you've got the title or the the site that it came from. The RSS URL is here, and then the keyword that this came up for, if that helps you to kind of keep track of what these were results for and what type you were using. You can see this software is really easy to use, not a lot of complicated stuff, and it's really effective, very fast for finding feeds. And let me just mention URL mode too while we're at it. Go to URL, and instead of putting keywords in here, we put some URLs of sites that we would like to get the feeds for. And I'm just going to clear this all out so that you can see the results, and then we're just going to click on search, and you notice that it went out and it got the feeds for that particular site. It got all of them. So a lot of times with blogs there's like a comments feed, and then there's the regular feed. If I don't want the comments feed, then I can just delete it. So that's RSS FeedFinder, really useful utility for helping you with your SEO and your auto blogging and your curation. So really effective for finding feeds. So that's been it for this video walkthrough. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.